It's middle of 2018 and we are fully covered with technology. Our children are also using technology, especially screens of mobile and computers. This is one of the main headaches of many parents, that how much screen time is best for kids. Everyone knows that screens aren't good for children's health. Strong research has been coming in over the last several years, suggesting that looking at screens for hours a day can have some serious health and mental health consequences. Even some of the developers of these products have admitted guilt about their creations, and confessed that they don't even let their kids use them. Researchers from the Oxford Internet Institute and Cardiff University interviewed 20,000 parents of 2 to 5-year-olds, asking about their children's screen usage and its impact on their happiness and behavior. The study's aim was to find out whether the often quoted guidance from the American Academy of Pediatrics limiting screen time to 1 hour a day for 2 to 5-year-olds remains correct. Issues occurred for using long screen time: sleep deprivation, obesity, vision problems, aches and pains, loss of social skills, aggression, unable to process emotions, frustration on life. So, I hope if you were unaware, then you know now about this serious problem about screen time of your children. But other big questions are digital screens turning our kids into addicts? How much screen time you allow your kids?